Right, so let's connect up this EV charger. And what we're going to use for this is look at this EV cable with the EV Ultra stripper. And what you want to do with this stripper is make sure that the blade is out that much, and we want a good amount inside there. So what we're going to do is put it on, give it a twist, and then pull it off. Comes off perfect. And then once we get in, we want to go here, so we'll go here once again, give it a twist, score it round a couple of times, and then pull it off. Once again, the blade moves on its own, just enough to get this stripped off. And that, look at that, even cut the string. And then we want to put it inside the unit. This is going up through a plastic stuffing gland. Because it's not an armoured cable, you don't have to put a steel wired armoured gland on there. And then put the stuffing gland so it's nice tight fit, so it holds it into place. Hold that in place. Down there. And then we have the live neutral earth. We can chop this out. And there. We can come along and up into this plug. Labelled on it is your live neutral earth. And then with this plug. This here. And we'll chop the scraggly ends off. And then how we're going to do them, we'll do it for the bottom one. So it'll be green and yellow, green and white, green, get that around there, green and white, green, orange and white, orange, no, orange and white, blue, blue and white, orange, and brown and white, brown. straight, so we get all in the right sequence, get them level, and then get this on. Voila. And then all we need is this, plug it on, plug that in, so we need to get this off now. Oh. Hello?
This is Health and Repair Team. This is a call for...
Fucking dickhead. That on there. There we go. EV Ultra Doncaster cable.